In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit Confluence Table of Contents. We'll start right from your Confluence dashboard. Open the specific page where you want to adjust the table of contents. Make sure you have permission to edit the page. If you can see the Edit button at the top, you are good to go. Click Edit to move into the page editor. Confluence will switch to editing mode, and your existing table of contents will appear as a macro placeholder box within the page. Click directly on that table of contents placeholder to select it. When it's highlighted, choose the Edit or Pencil icon to open the configuration panel. This is where all the behavior and appearance settings live. If the panel doesn't appear right away, click the macro once more to ensure it's selected. Let's walk through the customization options so you get exactly the structure you want. First, choose your output type. List gives you a vertically stacked, indented outline that's great for scanning longer pages. Flat creates a horizontal list, which is more compact and works well when your page has only a few headings or you want to save vertical space. Next, set your heading levels. Here, you define the minimum and maximum heading levels to include. For example, you might include H2 through H4 to keep the top-level page title out of the table while still showing meaningful subheadings. Keeping the range focused prevents the table from getting cluttered with deeply nested sections. Under Structure, you can enable section numbering so each entry is labeled in order, which helps readers follow along. You can also change the list style to disc, square, or circle to match your page's look and feel, and adjust the indentation so nested headings are clearly distinguished without taking up too much space. As you tune these settings, watch the preview area to confirm the table looks the way you expect. If there are headings you don't want to show, use the Exclude Headings field. This supports regular expressions, so you can filter out specific words, phrases, or patterns. Start simple, and be mindful that special characters have meaning in regular expressions. Escaping them avoids unintended matches. When everything looks right, click Save in the macro configuration. Then publish the page. After publishing, review the page to confirm your updated table of contents appears as expected. If you recently changed headings on the page, remember those updates will be reflected once the page is published. That's it. Thanks for watching.